Hello everyone, this is a weekly forecast for Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed because you get a better viewing experience because I talk a bit slow. Let's go ahead from monthly time frame and let's just check what gold has given us. Gold on a monthly time frame, as you can see, after this retesting these highs here that we made in July 2020, we retested these highs in March 2022 with the fear of Putin, and then we start Russia-Ukraine war, and then we start moving down, rejecting this. We broke this crucial support areas. We created this new low, but we didn't came up to these levels of demand area to the downside or these previous levels on sorry about that. So we create a new low here on October, November, and then we start rejecting that on monthly. And now this month of December we made a wick to the upside, and now it's starting to reject a bit, but we have 12 days, so we have 2 weeks more in without having a good wick to the downside. I expect this candle to either close a weak bullish or a bearish candle. Let's go ahead on weekly time frame. Weekly on gold is at a resistance level. We discussed about this level for weeks now. Since we started this channel, this was previous support, and now after this is this one here, and then we have this support here. So now this is support, now it's acting as resistance. We failed now twice to broke this. So after this I expect price to come up down to break the low of the current weekly candle, break the previous week candle, and then come to this big demand zone area here, and then from here we define what is the next move. By coming down here we also close weak bullish or a bearish monthly closure, so that's what I'm expecting. Let's go ahead one more time, and now we check on the daily time frame. On the daily we clearly rejecting this but we need to close below here on a daily to come up to this next support area right over here. So the Friday closed bullish. Now we need to check, maybe we're gonna retest again these levels to the upside here. Here we have this area of interest, this resistance which is failing to break and move up, and then we don't have very clean traffic to the left hand side, so I really hope we're not gonna go into this area because it's gonna be very tough for us to trade in that area. And then yeah, for the week ahead now I just expect price to either come up, create a bit of a weekly wick to the upside, find resistance. Whenever it finds resistance, and now retest this new low that we made, and then possibly retest this level, break this level, and then come up for a big retest to this support, which will be a line on the weekly, and just create a wick and then come to the downside, something like this. That was a very bad candle, like something like this. So yeah, let's go ahead, this, remove this. Let's go ahead quickly on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have found new support here, and now we have this also, this big area of support here. We have clean traffic to the left hand side. We're mirroring that. We can find resistance at any point at this level here, this level here, or this level here, and then start to reject and come up and retest these areas again, possibly break this level, and then come to this level here where we have this clean traffic. Hopefully we can mirror for some sells. So overall I'm just looking for sells on gold, even though we are not in a clean bearish trend at the moment. Still we need to break these lows here. As long as we don't break these lows, we cannot say we are in a bullish trend. So we need to break these lows here to break also the trend, but I don't see very strong confluences in the market, because also fear of recession and everything. I'm not sure gold will move up. On GJ on the other hand, GJ, let's go ahead on monthly time frame. Monthly is flipping bearish now. We came up to this level, previous month closed bearish, we're rejecting in this area, and now we should be good to just keep going down. If we break these lows on a weekly time frame, weekly close bearish, try to broke these previous week's highs and then flip back down and close bearish. So next week I just expect a wick to make on the weekly time frame, and then just continue in this bearish momentum. But we have support here, so it's not gonna be super clean on GJ. Also, this daily candle moved a lot, so there is a lot of bearish momentum on GJ. We have this support right over here, and then we have this big area of support right over here also. So we are currently in a range on GJ on a daily time frame. After breaking these lows here, could have been a good trade till this level here. But anyway, we should be good to test these support, and then around these support we can check if we can break these supports and then retest 160 again. Now in these time frame here, for example, in 16, 10 trading days, 10-12 days left, if we can break these lows and then come up down to this level to close yearly bullish. We can also check this candle. Yearly can close bearish, 6 months can close bearish on gold also, 3 months can close as a fake out. It's gonna be very interesting, very interesting on gold and GJ. But yeah, we're gonna check what's happening. But on gold we need, even though we break the support here, now we're moving down to this support on GJ, I mean. We're moving down to this and to this. We should be good to go down to these levels, and then we're gonna check what is next for GJ. For gold, one more time, I just expect bearish momentum all week. After this we can just start finding somewhere rejection somewhere over here, and then just retest these lows, and then hopefully break this level so we can come up at 1740. So I have bearish bias for both GJ and gold this week. We need to check to see where the rejection is happening on gold to take some sells, and then or below here till here could have been this area here, 16768 and 1755. This area can be very good tradable, and this one here we're already in a good area to be traded. This can be a good trade. Let's see, take this tomorrow on the daily forecast. Let's see if overnight this area gets filled, this trade gets executed. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Hopefully this video will make you guys, will help you in any way possible. Bye bye.